Now, there have been several reports throughout the years about sexually transmitted diseases rising with older adults as well. Do you think seniors should be cautious during this act? Because it's even something that we have a conversation with our children when they're growing up.
Right, well, and older people grew up in the age when you didn't really have to worry about sexually transmitted diseases. This is before the era of HIV and things like that, but we do encourage people that if they're going to become sexually active again, that they get checked before they do that. And there are concerns of rising number of STDs in the community.
And a lot of elderly people, as you mentioned to me, maybe start dating at 70, 75 because someone passed on or there was a divorce, and they're not aware of certain situations.
Right, and we sometimes have to do a little bit of sex ed, just like we have to do with younger people, about counseling them about protecting themselves from sexually transmitted diseases.
And safe sex for the elderly, obviously just as important for anyone else.
Yeah, it is. I mean, in some sense, they're not as aware of it because you're not worrying about pregnancy, but you do find that people need a little bit of re-education about protecting themselves.
I do love some of these myths and facts regarding aging and sex that I wanted to share with you. I'm not sure if we have, here we have them. Some people say, well, his equipment doesn't work and her equipment doesn't work. That's not true, that's a myth.
Right. Yeah, those are myths. Usually if there's a problem, it is fixable. Yeah, those are definitely myths.
Let's see, the other one was you can't fire up an old engine. Not true at all.
Not
the engine
true.
could be closed for 25 years and you can
Right.
fire it up again, can't
Yes.
you?
Mm-hmm.
And let's see, there's an aging body isn't sexy.
That's not true. It's just a perception thing, and obviously there is a lot of body image consciousness in culture today, but that is definitely a myth that just because somebody's older, they're not sexy.
Absolutely. And the last one, older people should not have sex. No, I disagree
Definitely
completely.
not true. It's like I say, it's part of life, and people shouldn't be ashamed of thinking about it or talking about it.